Ɓadare mo Allah ɓangi daraja muɗum laamiɗo julɓe e Najeriya andini habaru yiki lewru e nder Najeriya. Sultan Sa'ad Abubakar Tataɓo andini wiki ɗum heɓi laɓoral yiki lewru e nder leydi Najeriya. Ngam non jango Asewe lattoto go'o lewru korkandu sumaye. Ngam non o noddi ummatore julɓe e Najeriya finda e sumaye korka jango to jam.
The month of Shaban. Reports of positive sighting of the new crescent of Ramadan have been reported to us by various leaders across the country, and we have verified and authenticated such reports and duly accepted such reports. Therefore, tomorrow, 1st March 2025, makes its first Ramadan 1446 after Hijrah. We call on all Muslims across this great country to devote the month of Ramadan in full worship of Almighty Allah and prayers for our country, for our leaders at all levels. As we call on all our brothers and sisters to commence fasting this holy month of Ramadan, we urge you to always be aware of the responsibilities on your shoulders as Muslims. Always pray for our leaders, pray for our states, pray for our country. We urge you too to always give out to the vulnerable amongst us so that they also enjoy the Ramadan fast. To show the effects of such giving out to the less privileged, will also add the words of Almighty Allah on you, on your fast. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept our ibadat in this holy month of Ramadan and grant us Al-Jannah Firdaus without hisab. May Almighty Allah give our leaders the strength to lead our country aright with the fear of Almighty Allah always, with the heart and mind of salvaging the problems facing our great country and pushing the hardship facing not only the Muslims but all citizens of this great country. Ramadan Mubarak to all of you. May Allah accept our ibadah.
Ramadan, lale lale. basira besado ko marmi bo fe boyo amoita ya fan mo bernde idi amobda min gam Ramadan ya Ramadan tamle emi fergi furat bidar jinamle emi waiti furat binun jinamle e imre de lewru sumaya barka nabiyu walli tamdaw Ramadan ya Ramadan khairu fadulu teni dowon e maru ogas e jowe didi e maru Qur'anu jibbina der Ramadan ya Ramadan Jibrilu yo yilli qur'o khairu eton e hira kaduru ikrano o umri burdo birru nulal o jogi o waddi khairu mahamuda metina der Ramadan ya Ramadan daga yende den o heyi o hewti itenge feure ni fi feuti annaba kuluna kufuno mabbi burdi do yotta ke der Ramadan ya Ramadan Ramadan yo lewru chahu Allah duo mojjori nuddin be Allah koi ha besali kula albarka lewru maundu Ramadan ya Ramadan kaila ture e maruon ananima jemma rende dadino kulla jemma Jibrilu yo jibba besdu himma ibada yo burifa alfa shahar barajari hebete der Ramadan ya Ramadan ya angido Allah albishir ma Ramadan to tayma fa awelma barjari ma sedda fu sowama jabama aljanna mabbitama e Ramadan ya Ramadan dammude yite on bidama sheydanu jiginni haɓɓidama welo e ɗonka hoytinama kaji lewru maundu Ramadan ya Ramadan moƴƴe tati e maru keɗiten sappoje arande barka keɓeten e hinno e tokki nder ko keɓeten sappo ragareje nder ko keɓeten sunubaji lotide nder Ramadan ya Ramadan sumiɗo ndufu ngam yo Allah Allah bode gaduddina nder Ramadan. Ya Ramadan lali ja'ama lewru Qur'anu marhaban ya Ramadan. Ana fa'atas bazikru Allah anyamna yarna julbe Allah awo ina gikke do be Allah sadakaji ya hokka be bukabe Qur'anu nafdoɗa nder Ramadan. Ya Ramadan lali ja'ama lewru Qur'anu marhaban ya Ramadan. Se ta ƴaɓɓa keri Allah fewre kudi fu accu ngam de Allah nyore badi fu ɗalma ngam bo Allah donyare e zambata badadi albarka lewru khairu Ramadan. Ya Ramadan lali ja'ama lewru Qur'anu marhaban ya Ramadan. Ya Rabbi sami'u hedi tamle gondi di bajji wasdanamle do'aje de ambo jabanamle mi tiɗa mi hosa sumirare e njosu ittanam nder Ramadan. Ya Ramadan lali ja'ama lewru Qur'anu marhaban ya Ramadan. Fesare e enɗam ɓesdanamle holare jamuji ɓesdanamle anniya mbotka riskoramle barjari ndi kuɗe sowan billahi halimu yerdoyam nder Ramadan. Ya Ramadan lali ja'ama lewru Qur'anu marhaban ya Ramadan. Albarka cuɓaɗo holɗinaɗo innoye Allah fesinaɗo ɓurnaɗo tagefo hokkoɗaɗo sahaɗo ndu ɓurdi fu e lebbi jagorɗo Ahmada jam Ramadan. Ya Ramadan lali ja'ama lewru Qur'anu marhaban ya Ramadan. Ƴettoje ɗe maɗa Allah jawmam do dokkal ngam bo dokkuɗayam basira e zarfu dokkuɗayam mi yusɓiri yimre sumayi Hafsatu demmo wiyo dammat Ramadan. Ya Ramadan lali ja'ama lewru Qur'anu marhaban ya Ramadan. Ya Ramadan lale jaɓɓama lewru olare marhaban ya Ramadan. Ya Ramadan lali ja'ama lewru Qur'anu marhaban ya Ramadan. Ya Ramadan lale jaɓɓama lewru Qur'anu marhaban ya jaɓɓama lewru tanzilu marhaban ya jaɓɓama lewru Furqanu marhaban ya jaɓɓama lewru kitabu marhaban ya jaɓɓama lewru Qur'anu